Good morning. Today we are making a fried rice, and I used 3 of the packets from Costco of chicken, and I poured some of the Japanese barbecue sauce on and just let it cook down. What I had done first, I need to back up a little bit. What I had done first was just put them in a pot and cooked them till they were basically the chicken was cooked, and then I pulled them all out and put them on the griddle and put the barbecue sauce on, and just let it cook down and brown so that the griddle time was less. It made the sauce get nice and caramelized. It was really delicious. And then I was browning onions off to the side there, and Naomi and I were just having a little chat. She's pretty cute. She likes to, well, everybody likes to hang out in the kitchen, right? So I was getting those all browned and flipped. There was that. This is our first time using this stir fry blend, and it was pretty good. I had just asked the children to grab me a bag of frozen vegetables, and this is the one they picked. This is not our typical for fried rice, but it was still delicious and got us a lot of veg, so I was glad for that. So we just used the whole bag because I don't know how to use a partial bag, I guess. And also, I just like having plenty of food. Cook once, eat a couple times. That is my very preferred method. Plus, they're so colorful and beautiful there. And she's just so cute and bouncy. For years, we just called her our flighty little butterfly because she just flits and floats to the next thing. She's pretty cute. So Wisdom came and joined us and helped us a bit. And we were discussing what different parts of this were. They thought that the yellow bits might be sweet potatoes, but they're squash. It was a good little mix, and I love the sweetness that the sugar snap peas bring to the mix. And then, of course, we had the Japanese barbecue sauce on the chicken. So it was just good and fast. We were having to hurry through because rain was coming in, and by the time we were done, we were getting sprinkled on. Garlic seasoning. It looks like I put a lot on, and I probably kind of did, but we like a lot of garlic, and this did not seem it was just right on the garlic. I would have liked it to have a decent amount more, but it was still good. Then I put on some liquid aminos. Naomi was discovering that the Japanese barbecue sauce had caramelized a little bit and thickened, and she was so happy she had to take it around and try to get people to taste it. So that was kind of funny. She thought that I had accidentally done that, and that was obviously my intent from the beginning. So we had some leftover rice and some purposely cooked for this rice, and just getting it all mixed up. So here I'm putting up the chicken for different days. I just left out enough for adults to have 2, and double digits to have 2 legs, and everybody younger to have 1 is what I had left out for dinner this first night. I just immediately put it all away, or people will just find a way to snack on it before meals, and then my prep work is gone. So now I am moving all of the seasoning from underneath the chicken onto the rice, and just getting it all stirred in and tasty, and just trying to get it all put together and get a picture of it before the rain gets too much. It was sprinkling on us a good amount here, so I was trying to hustle and get it all put up. And I put these on top for a photo, and it was kind of annoying to then get it all into the container to put it all away. So that was kind of funny. And I couldn't leave it there and serve from there because of the rain coming in. But it was a really beautiful, in my opinion, a really beautiful dinner. And it tasted great. It was fun to make. We eat a lot of fried rice. I told the children this is like our spaghetti, our fast food that you do last minute because it's easy and fast. But thanks for joining us, and we will talk to you next time. Bye.